Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Okay, welcome back to English class with Mr. Fizri. Okay, selamat datang ke kelas bahasa Inggeris bersama Mr. Fizri, and I want to wish you congratulations for joining my class. Okay, tahniah kerana anda masih bersemangat untuk belajar, dan saya doakan semoga semua murid-murid faham dan dapat jawab dengan cemerlang. Alright, so today is Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, Isnin, 16th of August 2021. Okay, now look at the pictures. Okay, agak-agak kan kita nak belajar apa hari ini. Right, so we want to learn about numbers. Okay, numbers. Okay, nombor. Okay, look at this. We have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. Okay, so number words. Dia kata nombor dan perkataan lah. Okay, so look at this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay? Okay, I hope you can follow me. Saya harap murid ikut di rumah. Okay. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Okay? Okay, all bahasa Melayu. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Okay, so now please take out your fingers. Okay, keluarkan jari. Okay, jari kan ada 10. Okay, jom kita kira sama-sama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have 10 fingers. Kita ada 10 jari. Okay. Boleh guna semula jari. Kita nak sambung. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 20 adalah 20. Alright, so today we will answer questions in your module page 87, muka surat 87. Okay, first we have to write the day. The day is Monday. Monday, 16th of August 2021. Alright, so Arahan dia, write the correct answer. Okay, tuliskan jawapan yang betul. Okay, so dia dah bagi number dekat sini, kan? Okay, so you have to write the letters. Kena tuliskan dia punya spelling, ejaan dia. So number 11 dia dah bagi 11, and then 12. 12 yang mana? 12. Cuba dengar sebutan saya. 12. T bermaksud mula huruf T. Okay, yang mana huruf T? This one. Okay, 13 pun huruf T juga. Okay, 13. Okay, this one. 14 huruf F. Okay, mana F? This one. 14. 15. 15 pun mula huruf F. 15. 16. Okay, 15 yang mana? 15 is here. 16. Okay. Okay, mula huruf S. This one. 17. 18. 19. 20. Okay, tak apa, kalau tak tahu tak apa, it's okay. Boleh tengok nota. You can refer to the notes that I will give you. Okay, saya akan bagi nota, so boleh tengok. Ataupun boleh juga Google sahaja, cari dekat internet pun no problem. Or you can ask your father or mother. Okay, after you have finished, please color this aeroplane. Okay, dah siap, boleh warnakan gambar kapal terbang, and then take picture and send to Mr. Fizri. Alright. Okay, so this is the note. Ini nota yang saya akan bagi di dalam WhatsApp. So I wish you good luck and see you again. Okay, goodbye.